What's up, YouTube? David here from No Swag Media, doing a quick little unboxing and up close look at a new Chuck 70 from Golf Fleur. This is one of the Chuck 70 lows. I actually got two different colors of these, so make sure to check out my other video. But this one is the antique white multi. It's like the digital leopard print, and then the honey, I guess is what they're calling the sole. Actually bought these from a site that I believe was based out of the UK, but they luckily still had some. I did sleep on the initial release online, but I was able to secure these on another website. So yeah, you saw the box. We got the Fleur bellboy, Golf Fleur on the back. This is a little bit more of a saturated yellow than the camera picks up, but brown accents, yellow box. That's that. Let's check out the shoes. Boom. So this is what the shoes look like straight out of box. They do come with a separate pair of laces in brown. I'm probably just going to roll with the whites on these. Pause. Sorry. But these have the chunky, thick, I want to call them like steak fry laces. I don't know why. Like, you know, when you see like a normal French fry and then you see a steak fry, this is giving steak fry. They're very thick. But yeah, you have kind of this translucent gum or honey colored sole here where you can kind of see the pattern go down about halfway through. Again, this is that digi leopard that you see across excuse me, across a whole bunch of Fleur products. This is kind of the signature colorway that they have in a ton of stuff. But yeah, you'll see in there hidden is Fleur, and you'll see it bigger on the sides. But yeah, on the bottom of your left foot, you have the bellboy again, and then on the other one, you've got Fleur. And that's a pink and brown there. I'll show you what the inside quickly looks like here. Chuck Taylor, Converse, Golf Fleur, nothing crazy. Again, it's a simple shoe, so there's not a ton you can do as far as customizing it. You can see the toe cap there. Also is kind of translucent. It's an interesting look. Honestly, I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about these. I've yet to style them, but I'm about to see how they go, maybe with some jeans, something like that. I feel like they could be a tough one to style, but at the same time, perhaps not. We'll see, but yeah, I'll give you a quick on foot. So here's kind of a quick look at what we're looking at on foot. I think they do look nice with like a baggy blue jean like this. There's kind of your look if you were going for more of the cuffs. Honestly, I think they're panning out to style a little bit easier than I initially imagined. But yeah, that's what we're looking at. I like them overall. I think that these actually, yeah, might be a little bit easier to style. Alright, that's pretty much going to wrap up the video. Make sure to check out some of my other videos. I have plenty of stuff on the Fleur, golf, Tyler related stuff. And I'm also going to do a video on these guys. Peace.